Hi there, I'm Tattered Lace, and I'm so excited to be doing an unboxing of this brand new Tattered Lace card making collection kit. Now this is an exclusive 134 item card making kit valued at over 50 pounds, and it's jam-packed with crafting goodies. So I'm going to open this up and show you everything that's inside. So I'm opening up the kit, which is perfect for all card makers of every skill level, whether you are advanced or whether you're a beginner, then there's something in here for you. And I'm just going to set the box aside and spread out all of these beautiful things in this kit. So we have an ideas magazine, and then we have the paper pack that is included as well, which I will do a flip through in just a bit so you can see all the designs. And then we have stamps, an embossing folder, and also a die set. Okay, so first up we have the Crocus Die Set. Now this is an exclusive design from Tattered Lace, and the 5 dies in your kit are designed to work together to create stunning crocus design, and you can experiment with die cutting the elements from a variety of cardstocks and pattern papers for some fantastic effects. Now, if you love all things floral, then this is the stamp set for you. There are 3 images and 6 sentiments, and the images look fantastic when they're colored in, and the sentiments include, with all my love, get well soon, best of luck, thinking of you, happy birthday, friends are flowers in the garden of life. How lovely. And we also have an A6 size embossing folder. Now this lovely design is going to help you make cards that truly stand out. The detail is just so gorgeous and intricate. Here's a flip through of the paper and topper pack, and you're going to simply adore the color palette throughout the paper pack. It's pretty and suitable for a whole host of occasions, and the toppers are also really useful. You just cut them out and layer them onto your card for the perfect finishing touch. Here is the 68 pages ideas magazine, and I'm going to do a quick flip through, but there are 65 stunning projects for you to try using the kit with easy to follow step-by-step guides. We have Mother's Day makes included, a focus on florals, off the page ideas, a watercolor masterclass. You can also create some scene cards and some elegant embossing. Now there's endless inspiration in this ideas magazine, but I also wanted to show you some of the projects inside of the magazine, just give you a closer look at those because they're absolutely stunning, and they really show you the versatility of the kit, of how to use your dies and your embossing folder and your stamp set all together, as well as the paper pack. I hope that you enjoyed the Tattered Lace card making collection kit unboxing, and don't forget to pick up your copy of issue 1, brand new issue. You can get that at craftstash.co.uk or moremags.com.